hit the top of the pop charts during that remarkable rise to fame and stardom of the late 60s. Coming all the way from Newport, Rhode Island to the Happy Together Tour, we are proud to present the Cowsills.
Hello, Indianapolis and Indiana State Fairgoers! Yeah! You guys, this looks like Woodstock to us up here. It's incredible. I gotta tell you, it was 57 years ago, the first time we played here. Stephen was like 7 or something. And it was 1967 though, and it was the Summer of Love. And this is for all the flower girls out there. I saw him sitting in the rain. Rain not falling on her. Didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. Suddenly the sun broke through. See the sun. I turned around, she was gone. Where did she go? All I left was one little flower in my hand. But I knew she had made me happy. She had made me very happy.
You should see the Cowsills.
We're off and running from 1968. Summertime.